What's happening? So it's been a minute for one of these kind of videos, because I used to do like kind of like my little hair videos here and there, because you don't really see no dudes doing that shit, and I kind of had taught myself like through YouTube, but I had to stop because I cut off my hair. But quietly been going back and got this wool on my head right now. But the thing about it, well, might as well just keep it on. But the thing about it is, I kind of was growing it back. I was gonna try to braid like everything to the back, but that's a little more challenging. That's a little more challenging than just like the top that I used to do. So I really had cut my hair because like my fade was like ended way high. I didn't like how my braids was right there. So I think I'm about to go back to that style, but I want to like cut it to where it like dips at the bottom, like my hair ends like not so high at the back of my head, so I finally can have it the way that I want. So I don't really see no videos like this. I'm gonna start off from this to like the man bun braid type hairstyle. So I'm gonna try to go through it quickly. I'm not gonna show every little piece. I might fast forward some stuff, but try to go from like this to the end. But that's what the goal of this video is. So join me. Check it out. So the way I'm gonna start this fade off, I'm gonna do it kind of unorthodox. I'm not gonna do it how I normally would just cut my hair. I normally would just like go up and mess with it like that. What I'm gonna do, because I'm not really gonna fade, I'm kind of just gonna go like all one length on the sides. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna part this, and I'm gonna section this off, and I'm gonna like hold this up, and all the loose hair I'm just gonna cut it off. So I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna film while I'm doing it because it might take some time. I'm not the best at parting, but I'm gonna try to part that section, and I'm gonna show you how it's finished, and then I'm gonna just show you the cut. So this is the best I could do, kinda. So I got like, it's kinda like parted, and it goes around. I don't think the back is perfect. I don't really have too mirrors and stuff. Like, it's gone. For the back, I'm probably gonna like use my hand as a better guide. But as far as like the sides and stuff, I'm just gonna cut up to the part. I'm just gonna cut that off. And the back, try to maybe use my hand like as a guide, like just to keep it even, because I don't know how exactly parted it is in the back, but I don't want it faded high like it was last time. I messed that up, but I want it to be lower, but I already said that. So next time you see, I'll have this cut. I might show you a little bit, maybe, and speed it up or whatever. After much procrastination, I was trying to make sure this side was the same as this side and stuff. Yeah, couldn't really tell. Looking like a George Jefferson ish. But about to start cutting this. My tip, I would say put like a towel or something in the sink or whatever, try and catch the hair. You don't want to clog your stuff up or whatever, but try not to have it. I don't like it to be too messy, like have hair everywhere. So I got a number 1. I don't want it bald, just real short. A number 1 guard. Done with this. I'm looking like one of the Philadelphia 76ers. But that's the aftermath. next step, braid it, but I'm procrastinating for a while. Do that later on, but you'll see. So I procrastinated all day on this. So I cut my hair earlier. It's like midnight, past midnight. About to start working on braiding this. Like I washed my hair earlier, so it's curly and stuff. But like trying to like comb it out a little bit. Then I'm gonna part it and start braiding it. And you want the slick look or whatever. So I got some gel. I'll put that in there and see if I still got it. I ain't talking no more. Part.
Wait.
This took forever, but I finally finished parting it, and I ain't gonna see my edges or nothing, but just put a little bit of gel just along the part on the hair, just kind of lay it down a little bit. So whenever I do braid it, I'm gonna look, kind of have that slick look to it that I'm looking for. I'm gonna do it on the other side just a little bit. My technique ain't the best in the world. Just trying to make sure it goes where it needs to go. Braid time. So that's just an idea of how to do it. Like some of this kind of loose. I'm probably gonna do it again, but I just want to show y'all the process. But I'm gonna go do this in a more comfortable situation, and I'm gonna come back with the finished product and show you. I'm probably gonna do this and over again. I don't like to stand up and do this. This is uncomfortable, and my hair isn't long as it used to. It's not as easy as it used to be, but all right. So this is the end of the video. Moment of truth. See how the braids came out and stuff.
Just let your soul go. Just let it shine through. Just let your soul go, baby. Feeling oh so silky smooth. Just let it shine through. Just let your soul.
Not the best job in the world. It's still short, so it's still hard for me to braid. Somebody else probably could braid it better, but that's the best that I could do, like currently. But it don't look that bad, in my opinion. But this video is not a tutorial or anything. This is just to show that you can do it yourself. Cause I don't like to ask people for nothing. So even with short hair or whatever, if you got patience and stuff, you can pull it off. But I would advise you check out the females on YouTube, man. I can't touch them. They might have some hair like that and come out and have all kind of designs and stuff. Like they cold as hell. Like I can't braid like that. Like check out them females, the ones they have hair like that. They have shit down their back. I don't black girl magic. But with your boy, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated. While it's growing, whenever it gets longer, I'll be able to do better stuff whenever I can catch it a little better. But I let your boy.